Around 500,000 burglaries take place in the UK every year. That's approximately 1 burglary every minute. In most forced entry burglaries, entry will be gained to the rear of the property at the weakest point, usually the patio or French door. Entry to French doors fitted with standard handles and locks can be forced in less than 30 seconds. Secure your French doors with Patlock. Patlock is easy to fit and requires no drilling, screws or gluing. Just slide the padlock over your French door handles and push to lock in place. Padlock works by holding the handle position in place, so none of the catches can be opened, even if the barrel lock is removed. Padlock is the ultimate visible deterrent to would-be intruders, whilst its beautiful design makes the padlock and your French doors look as one. Padlock is also easy for the homeowner to remove. Simply press the two release buttons on each side of the padlock and pull apart. For the ultimate deterrent and peace of mind, fit a padlock.